thing that we hear from a lot of customers is the need to do more with less. So they have scarce resources and small staffs compared to the size and complexity of their websites. So with that in mind, there are a few ways that we work with our customers to help them do more with less. One of the ways is simply making better decisions with clear data. And so an example of that is looking at things like ineffective searches. In other words, searches that people aren't finding what they need, or searches that people are making that may be trending. An example in real life that we've seen is a manufacturer identifying through the search patterns on their own site that they had resellers that were looking for warranty information. And so they created content that could support that type of visitor more directly than they would have had otherwise. We wouldn't have known that without some site search data to show them what people weren't finding. The next piece is taking action. So if you have a small team or if you have limited resources, it can often be hard to actually get things done. And so within Cludo, what we've developed are ways to take action. So having things like what we call actionable recommendations, steering people in the right direction for the high impact things, and then making actually the changes happen with just a few clicks. The other area that we're really focused on is providing the ability for our customers to enhance the experiences on their website even more. And so things like generative AI, things like guided conversations that are a part of how people are catering these different audiences and the different behaviors to the content on their site. We enable that in a way that's much more seamless than you could needing to work with other partners or more folks on your team. We can do that, and we can help our users do that in a very seamless way. The other piece is adding new experiences. So adding things like generative AI in the site search experience itself can really be a game changer in terms of the experience. And we've added that to Cludo, so you don't need to take 12 months to get there. You can do it in a relatively short period of time and provide those experiences in real time. Those are just a couple examples of ways that we're helping small and limited resource teams get more done faster.